Hey guys, so welcome to my unboxing of the Freddy vs. Jason Ultimate Jason Voorhees figure. If you remember, I unboxed part 6 Jason from Jason Lives. Now this is from Freddy vs. Jason. So let's take a look at the packaging first. We have a nice render of Jason on the front, then another picture of Jason on the side, other side, and then pictures of the figure on the back. So again, side, side, back, front. We've got nice pictures of Jason, and it says Freddy vs. Jason. Freddy Krueger and Jason Voorhees return to terrorize the teenage population, except this time they're out to get each other too. Includes 3 masks, 2 machetes, fire effect, and teddy bear. Don't know why it includes teddy bear, but still. I've seen the movie by the way, so it's good. Then when you open up this front flap here, you can see the figure inside and a picture of it right there. So that's with the packaging out of the way. Let's open this thing. I'm gonna try to be. I have scissors in case I need it. What the hell? There we go. Easy peasy. And of course, we got twisty ties galore. So, what I am going to do is I'm going to start trying to pop out these accessories. First, then I'm going to get my grandma to help me with Jason himself. So, Jesus. And of course, each mask is warped. That's okay. The one that Jason's currently wearing is, I think, the least warped out of all of them. So, mask 1. Oh, and it already falls down. Okay. Mask 1. Mask 2. This one is a little less warped than the bloody mask. So with the masks out of the way, we got the fire effect. We've got, where'd the other machete go? We got a bloody machete. Anyway, and then we're going to use the bloody machete. Oh, both of them are there. Okay. Machete number 1 and machete number 2. Also, these are also going to go in my Amazon Echo box. And out of accessories, we got teddy bear. So now that we've taken a look at the accessories, I'll get my grandma to help me get this out of the twisty ties. So I'll keep recording, but you're not going to see me. I need her help, like last time. Baba, can you help me? Please help me. Huh? No, I need to. Okay guys, I'm back. So before having a look at the figure, let's actually take a look at the accessories first. Okay. Accessories. So we have a couple of masks. We have a bloody mask and a mask that's been sliced by Freddy Krueger. Next, we have two machetes and a burning effect and a teddy bear. So, of course, I'm going to use the bloody machete. Why would you not? But now, let's have a look at the figure itself. So, the detail looks pretty nice. We got this, overcoat. It's a bit stiff. He's got his boots. He's like, they give him extra heel. Looks pretty nice taking the mask off. It's pretty easy. Here's what he looks like with no mask on. I'll actually show you what he looks like with his alternative masks, starting with the bloody one. Oh, Jesus. Okay, yeah, the bloody one is a bit warped. So let me... So here's the bloody mask first. After he's been basically stabbed in his eyeballs by Krueger. And then the one where he's sliced by the way, the masks, except the first one's easy enough. But here's him with his other mask. Let's put his first mask back on. No, not this one. This one's the bloody one. This one. This one, for some reason, seems the easiest to put on him. For some reason. So yeah, there's he is. Nice detailing. Let me pull the mask up again, just to show his face again. He has these like humps on the back, which makes it kind of hard to put the mask on. So again, you can see like bone in the sleeve area. His feet kind of swivel there, and I like it. Now for articulation, he has a joint in the head. He has like where the whole head moves in one piece, so you can go all the way around. You know, arms swivel up. This also has a bend. His arm can bend. I don't know to what degree. So I don't want to break it. So here's, okay, so his arm can go like that. Hands swivel. Same thing here. He's got a bend at the leg. A bend out. Like almost like a ratchet joint. Small swivel at the foot and like that. And his feet can go all the way back as well. And I think he has a slight torso crunch. Now for the machete. Here's the machete. Let's see how easy it is to fit in his hand. Oh god. Seems like really loose right now. Maybe. Oh, here, I got it. Okay. I always make sure that all my Jason figures have machete in hand. It's a must for me. And this is the best I could get it. I don't know how loose it is. But here's Jason with machete, and I have to compare this Jason to Jason from Jason Lives Jason. So here are the two Jasons side by side. And this immediate difference in height when we actually put them standing together. Yeah, with the Jason from Freddy versus Jason towering over this Jason. If we swap out the masks, how do they look on each other? I have no idea. It is completely possible to do it. I wouldn't recommend it, considering the fact that this looks too big. But I can even feel in the figure that there's more bulk to this Jason here. I also feel like the mask fits a lot better. Fits much more tightly and snug. So in comparison here, we have two Jasons here. They're both cool. Of course, this one being a lot taller and a lot bigger. I don't know. I'm trying to like bend the figure as much as I can without breaking it. I'm afraid I'm gonna snap the arm. I don't think this is a fake, as if we look at the masks, the mask here has a lot of detail. So I think this is official. I think part 6 is a fake because of the like markings on the utility belt, I think. But on Freddy vs. Jason, I think this one's real. Just be warned that the joints are going to be stiff, but they are movable. For example, I recommend if you're having the machete in hand to make his arm a bit bent. So yeah, guys. So what's my verdict on the Ultimate Jason from Freddy vs. Jason? I think the figure is phenomenal. NECA did it. I bought this from Amazon. Part 6 Jason. My uncle bought. I don't know if it was from Amazon or not. But this one I bought from Amazon. I was supposed to get it yesterday, but Canada Post didn't want to leave it unattended. So they essentially took it back, looped it around, and then brought it to me. I have to go to the post office today. Now, probably, how do you get this fire effect? No bloody clue. How the hell? Yeah, I don't know. It's supposed to go like... Yeah, I got no fucking clue. And of course, all accessories shall be going into the box of accessories. Which is this box right here that houses part 6's accessories. I'll open up the box and put the rest inside. Do I recommend it? I give it a full-hearted yes. So this has been my unboxing of the Ultimate Jason from Freddy vs. Jason. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.